Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Porsha Marie here. Today we're just going to be playing in some makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the Fenty Skin. This is the lip pudding. The lip mask. Now you just twist it up. Y'all know y'all seen this on my channel. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this unscreened sunscreen, and we're just going to take a little bit of this because we are going to be going out today, and we want to be protected. We're going to go ahead and do an eye look. I'm going to go in with this Nude Persuasion palette. I already got some concealer on my eyes. And I'm just going to go in with this brown shade right here. And we're just going to go into the crease and blend her out. If I'm looking this way, I have a mirror right here. Alright. And that is that brown color in the crease. I'm going to use my finger first to see how much I can get off. Oh, that's pretty. This is like an iridescent color, and it's so pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with that chocolate shade, chocolate and brown. And go on the outer V. Just to give it a little bit of a smoky effect. So I went in with the black and the brown. And the brown's gonna help me blend it out. Because that black can get real, crazy looking. Okay, my lashes are on. Let's get into the eyes. Okay, y'all already know I'm about to go in with this primer. Y'all know this is my favorite primer at the moment. Because it's just so tacky and hydrating at the same time. What more can a girl ask for? I'm going to go in with a pore filling primer. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to go in with this Rare Beauty. This is a pore filling primer. Because I want my skin to look real smooth. So we're just going to put this right here. Everywhere where I want it to look smooth at. And we're just going to, is that here? Okay. And we're just going to press that into the skin. Okay, I'm going to go in with the YSL foundation. U5. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face with this little brush. This is a really good foundation. And then we're just going to blend her out. And we can always add more if we need it. I'm gonna go in with this body sponge, but it just cuts down on the time of blending. I know y'all used this sponge before. This is how the face looks blended out. This is the YSL All Hours DW5. I do have a new concealer. This is the Prisme Libre Skin Caring Concealer. I got mine in the shade N385. Okay, this is how it looks. Let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Well, we might as well just put it right here underneath the eyes. I'll swatch it for y'all too. This is the color. This is N385. I like a lot of concealers, so let me do me. Let me do me. And it also gives me a nice balance. Okay, and we also have the new Milk. This is a contour stick, and I have mine in the shade Simmer. I was gonna get the darkest one, but I didn't get it. This was $24, $20. Let's see. Can y'all see something? If I do that, you can see the shadow. We're going to do that and do that. Then we're going to add some to our forehead. And this little thing is $20-something, like Milk. Can we get something a little bit bigger? This is only 0.19 ounces. We need a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, first we're gonna blend out this concealer. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend out this bronzer, this contour stick. Looks a little bit on the natural side. I guess if you want something a little bit more dramatic, you can get the darker shade if you're my skin complexion, or darker. Cause this one, it just, it's like, you can use it for like a nose, but if you want a little bit more definition, especially when it's about to be summertime, you probably gonna need the darker one, or, you know, or just skip this product altogether. But this one is just giving you a hint of color, a hint. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe. This is the Brightening Pink Powder. I've been seeing everybody use this pink powder, so I'm like, what is the hype? Before we do that, I have another blush. I went to Sephora the other day. I was like, I need another blush. This is in Primadonna, and we're just going to rub it and tap on the cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to blend out this under eye concealer one more time, and then we're going to go in and set it. So we're going to take some powder, press it out, and go right underneath the eyes, everywhere we put that concealer. This powder looks so good. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury brightening powder on a brush like this. This is a Morphe M554, and we're just going to press that underneath the eye. Fenty Beauty foundation powder. And this is in the shade 400. I'm gonna go in with the House's Labs bronzer in 11. We're gonna go in on the cheeks. I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place lip liner in Brownie. Go ahead and spray the face. Super dewy. Also gonna go in with the MAC. Woo, we looking good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this makeup by Mario. I need to get another one in Mocha Glow. Just add a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with this. This is Milky Gloss by NYX, and this is Milk and Honey. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this e.l.f. Let me show y'all. This e.l.f. mascara on my bottom lashes. And we're just going to go back over everything. Nothing on the brush, just whatever powder is left. Go in with my Rare Beauty. This is in Flaunt. I'm going to look and see if they have any more shades, because this shade is so cute. I'm just going to take this brush to press this into my skin. Just like that. Go back in with this palette right quick and go in with that brown shade, those two brown shades, and go underneath my eye. Okay, y'all, that is it for today's video. We did a little makeup, we did a little eye, a little lip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.